In a key judgment, the Supreme Court of India refused to recall its order passed on November 7 last year on removing stray dogs from public places with high footfall. Most importantly, it also allowed the killing of dangerous stray dogs. In 2025, the Supreme Court ordered the removal of stray dogs from every educational institution, hospital, sports complex, bus depot and railway station. The court, remember, also mandated that the stray dogs will be released in a different location after sterilization and vaccination. Apart from this, it asked these institutions to ensure that their premises are secured by adequate fencing and conduct regular inspection. This order was challenged by various organizations and individuals who expressed concern for the welfare of stray dogs. A three-judge bench held that it cannot remain oblivious to the deeply disturbing ground reality of young children, elderly persons and vulnerable citizens being attacked by stray dogs. It affirmed that India's constitution does not envisage a society where citizens are compelled to survive at the mercy of physical strength due to failure of the state machinery. The Supreme Court also linked this to the fundamental right to life. It ruled, quoting from the judgment, the right to live with dignity under Article 21 of the Constitution of India necessarily encompasses the right of every citizen to move freely and access public spaces without living under a constant apprehension of physical harm, attack, or exposure to life-threatening events, such as dog bites in public areas. Life-threatening events such as dog bites in public areas, quote unquote. Now, the court also passed certain fresh directives in this matter. For instance, it ordered all states and union territories to set up at least one animal birth control center per district and ensure adequate availability of anti-rabies vaccines. That's not all. The Supreme Court allowed the local authorities to take measures like euthanasia in cases involving rabid, incurably ill or dangerous dogs to curb the threat posed to human life. It also mandated no cases should be filed against officials for executing its directives. Apart from this, the Supreme Court asked high courts to register suo motu cases to monitor progress of the respective states. They, in turn, have been asked to submit affidavits of compliance on or before August 7 this year. Subsequently, the Apex Court will hear this case in November. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.